Hello, this is Bobby at Copel TV Repair, and this is functionality proof for an LG 55LE5500 mainboard belonging to a customer who initialed it on the board, as you can see on the connector. This was repaired on the 18th of December and was returned to us. We don't know that there was an issue with the screen on the left or right side of the screen. It should be right side, should be showing on the left. Am I right? It doesn't matter. So this is the board out of the box. Nothing was done to it. And this is the Google Chrome. As you can tell, there is a line going there on the right side. That line can be seen in all our videos. It is the panel that has gone bad. This is not a cable problem. It is one of the cuffs that are at the top behind in here. I have shown them in other videos, and there are many videos showing what they are and what they do. Nothing can be done about that, but the board is otherwise working fine. Now the customer sent his cable along with the board, and there is something that I need to show and pay attention to. This is our cable that is currently being used, and this is the cable that the customer sent. Now let me zoom that out and show you two obvious problems here. Now I don't know what those problems will do. First of all, you can see one pin here that is twisted to the right and overlapping the one that is next to it and shorting it. Now if that goes in, depending on what those pins are, similar thing happens here. And here is one. The rightmost pin is rolled backwards and sideways. Now the leftmost and rightmost pins oftentimes are not a big problem, but in this particular board I believe they were. Many times the leftmost and rightmost pins on the board are reserved for power or ground, but not always. And this is one of the boards. Here you can see on the left side. Sorry about that, let me turn it off. So this cable is not good, or will create problems. What problems it will create, it really depends. There is no one, the different pins can go and create different issues. These can be straightened and the cable can be very careful. This is basically a cable that can be reused. It's not really drastically bad. I believe I have shown in one of our other TVs on the back here a cable that was, this is very bad. Apparently this cannot be reused anymore. This is a different TV that I'm focusing on, that we use for testing, and this is the one that we've been testing that board on. So the board is working fine, that's what I can say. Looking at the picture, the cable can be manually straightened and very carefully used for one last time for proper insertion. But if it looks like what our screen is working, generally good half screen, but one vertical section of it having lines, that would be a cuff on the LCD, and that is not something that fixing this will help. But I will straighten those out, including this, and send it back that way for one careful last time insertion. Those cables, I have said it many times in many different videos, they're by specification they can withstand like 10, 15, maybe 20 insertions before this starts happening. The individual wires start peeling off and going sideways. But as someone who tests a lot of boards, of course we have to do that a lot. And I have shown in other videos how we use extensions and connectors, and it's really a pain in the butt, and of course they keep on failing. But yeah, I will straighten that out and send it back, and you can just do the most that you can do with it. The board is good at this time.